after these years of market layout, tablet PCs have been paid more attention again because manufacturers have gradually realized that tablet PCs are an indispensable part of the ecological closed loop. OPPO recently released the second-generation tablet OPPO Pad 2. This is the first tablet PC with a screen ratio of 7:5. So what are its features and innovations? I also conducted an unboxing for the first time. Let's take a look. First of all, the most intuitive feeling is that this 11-inch tablet has such a large screen area. The 7:5 screen ratio of OPPO Pad 2 is a bit special. Compared with the traditional ratio, it has a lot more in the vertical direction. The display area can be increased by nearly 10%, and the size is close to the traditional ratio of 12 inches. It just so happens that I have a 10.36-inch OPPO Pad Air at hand. Compared with OPPO Pad 2, the ratio of 7:5 of the latter can bring higher office efficiency. More content is displayed on the column. In general, there is more content displayed on a single screen, and there is no need to turn pages frequently. And even the effect under the split screen is obviously better than the former, which can reduce the number of dragging the screen up and down, and has an excellent experience whether it is mobile office or entertainment. In addition, the screen parameters of OPPO Pad 2 are also very powerful, with 2.8K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and 296 ppi, which bring the ultimate visual effect with excellent screen quality. The screen of OPPO Pad 2 has passed the double certification of Rhineland Hardware Low Blue Light and the eye protection of the National Eye Center, and supports 2048-level intelligent dimming, making the look and feel more comfortable. In terms of appearance, you can see that the screen of OPPO Pad 2 is a 2.5D floating screen with a curved middle frame and an all-metal integrated body, which is really both good-looking and high-grade. The back cover of the tablet adopts Star Trek matte engraving process, which has a delicate texture and anti-fingerprints, and the smooth all-metal integrated body is matched with Star Trek frosted process, which has high wear resistance, and it is not easy to peel off the paint and produce scratch marks after long-term use. In this regard, OPPO Pad 2 can be regarded as a very thin and light model in its class, with a thickness of 6.54mm and a weight of 552 grams. After all, many students who buy tablets also want to play games and watch high-definition videos. OPPO Pad 2 is the first tablet on the market equipped with Dimensity 9000 chip.The running score exceeds 100 watts, and it is easy to play the King with a high frame rate, especially when paired with a keyboard base. It is more efficient to play Genshin Impact with a mouse and keyboard. In terms of battery life, this is a natural advantage of tablet computers because it has a larger volume and space to accommodate a larger capacity battery. OPPO Pad 2 is equipped with a 9510 mAh battery. Generally speaking, it can play videos continuously for up to 16 hours. It can fully meet the daily office needs. In addition, the tablet is also equipped with OPPO's self-developed Color OS supercomputing platform, which runs more smoothly and reduces power consumption. The audio is a Matrix 4 speaker, dual Dolby certified, which can bring an immersive cinematic experience, and it is actually a good movie watcher. OPPO has been laying out the internet ecology for many years, and this time it finally blossoms and bears fruit on OPPO Pad 2, which is very easy to use. For example, after logging into the same account as the phone, it does not need to be in the same local area network. As long as the phone is nearby, the tablet can connect to the 5G network of the phone without any sense, and fully share the communication function of the phone. This function is of great practical significance, especially on high-speed rail. In scenarios such as hotels, outdoors, etc., using a tablet to send and receive emails, and mobile office, you no longer need to turn on the traditional operations of the phone hotspot to achieve internet access, make and receive calls, send and receive text messages, and receive mobile application push messages, etc. Finally, let's talk about accessories. For this tablet, OPPO provides an official Smart Touch keyboard, which adopts a non-inductive pairing magnetic structure, which can be connected and used without additional pairing and power supply. The keyboard cover also comes with a touchpad, which takes into account both typing and touch needs. There is also a stylus OPPO pencil, which simulates the feel of real writing, with a delay as low as 2 milliseconds, and supports 0 to 60-degree side edge writing. I think it must be very suitable for college students majoring in art and design. OPPO Pad 2 fills the gap in the market for similar large-size tablets. I am very satisfied with its exquisite design, technology and easy-to-use comprehensive experience, especially in the ecological interaction with OPPO series phones. I believe this tablet will achieve good results after listing. If you are often on business trips, have mobile office needs, or college students need to buy a tablet computer to help you study, take notes and entertain, OPPO Pad 2 is highly recommended. The comment area is waiting for your opinion. Have a nice day and see you soon.